If you are an upcoming artist or designer or doing any other creatives to create digital art with accuracy and control, just like using a traditional pen or brush, then this video is really helpful for you. In this video, I'm sharing the complete review of this Huyin, I think I pronounced it right, graphic drawing tablet. Also, I'm sharing my user experience along with the pros and cons. So let's start first with the unboxing and have a look what are the things we get inside the box. Come to the unboxing, you get all the things to use this graphic tablet. It's a simple and good looking package overall. You get the graphic tablet and one pen followed by extra tips for the pen. And finally, a cable to connect. This is a battery free graphic tablet. There is an instruction manual that you have to read if in case you are using this graphic tablet for the first time. Come to the connection, it is straightforward. You don't need any external batteries or chargers to connect. Just connect the USB to your system by connecting the micro USB to this graphic tablet. Also, you can connect this with your mobile too. This is supported for Windows, Android and Mac OS running devices. There is a separate app you need to download to use with your mobile. I tested this to know how it feels and works. But the main problem with the app is advertisements. Damn, there are so many ads popping that makes me feel irritated, and within a time I uninstall the app from the mobile. Hey, but don't worry, no ads in the system and no external app is required too. After connecting to the system, a light will blink on the top of this Queen name. Also, if you take the pen close to the tablet, a brighter light will pop, which means you can hover the mouse cursor. If you touch the graphic tablet, it selects that just like clicking the mouse button. Come to the build quality, this graphic tablet is totally made up of plastic, and the one word I would like to say here is it's good. Right after taking into my hand, I observed that there was no compromise in the build quality. Even the stylus or pen, whatever you call, is also really good. On the backside of each corner, round grips are provided to not slide or move while it is in usage mode. Even for pen also, a rubber grip is there to hold. Coming to the user experience, it is mixed for me while testing this. This is the first time I'm using the graphic tablet. Initially, while using it, I made a lot of mistakes and noticed so many errors in Photoshop usage. Usually, I write a lot of things on the paper even today, so writing is not a problem for me, but I'm unable to use this one like a pen or pencil. I tried and kept on trying. After using it for hours, I noticed something which is dragging me and encouraging errors while using it. It is all because of the pen size, especially the grip area. Look at the grip. Have you ever used a pen with this much size in this part? Definitely not, right? Here is the side by side comparison of the actual pen and this drawing pen. Due to this, it took me some time to get used to it. Finally, I'm comfortable and okay to use this pen for a longer period. The more you use it, the more you like this. Also, there are some extra buttons on the graphic tablet followed by on pen. You can customize and use it according to the software you are using. I used this mainly in Photoshop. I didn't face any lags or latency issues while using it. Hey guys, one more thing. Sorry for the break actually. The thing is, this one is actually having the pressure sensitivity. I'll show you how it actually works. Currently, I'm in Photoshop. You can see I'm sharing my screen. And right now, I'm in brush command. You can see here, brush command. And I'm taking a new layer here. And now, to enable the pressure sensitivity, this option is to be enabled. If in case you want the opacity, you can enable this one. First, I'll show you how it actually feels if I turn off the opacity. Taking the new solid layer, white. So I'm taking the, so now you can see the brush also. It's soft brush, size is 12. So now I'm going to write with this one. I mean, just like I'm showing the samples, you can see. If I go lightly means little, giving so much pressure, you can see the difference, right? See, so this is how it actually works. If in case I want to enable this option, like this opacity button, it's simply like based on the pressure, it changes the opacity. See, lightly, I mean, I'm not at all giving to, just have a look how it looks like. If I give too much pressure, see how it is. Like this, pressure sensitivity is much useful if in case you are doing any graphic related work. So pressure sensitivity is also there in this one. If you use this for the first time, you notice some irritation and pain in your fingers because you need to get used to it. For me, it takes some hours to get used. Apart from Photoshop, I never used it anywhere. Also, you can use this if you are taking a lot of online education classes or client calls or any work related to graphic designing. Trust me, it works far better than the mouse. When it comes to charging, there is no need to charge this device. Just connect with your laptop or mobile. It takes power from that. I like this because you don't need to think about charging this right after using it for hours and hours. So yeah, that is good in this one. But one thing is bad. This one comes with a micro USB instead of Type C to connect with the graphic tablet. Also, if you want to use it with Type C devices like mobiles or tablets, you can use this Type A to Type C converter, which is good. They also provide it in the box only. But the thing is, you need to carry this cable with you every time to connect this graphic tablet to other devices. When it comes to carrying, it's easy in your laptop bag. But if in case you are carrying it along with your personal belongings like clothes or any other things, care should be taken. Because it is made up of plastic, chances are very high to get broke. In a simple understanding way, I would like to say that just carry it like a tablet. Right now, the price of this graphic tablet is in between 2000 to 2500 rupees and it is fluctuating. Right now, some coupons are available to get some discounts, but it fluctuates during the offers time. You can check the link of this product in the description box for the latest price right now. So finally, for this price, is it worth or not? The answer is yes, it's totally worth the price you are paying. Also, if you're new to these graphic tablets like me, you can use this for some time and it's easier for you to use any other ones. If in case you don't want this big pen to hold, then you can buy an alternative ones where I added some in the description box. So that's the unboxing, user experience and review of this graphic tablet. If in case you have any doubts apart from the things that I talked in the video, feel free to comment. I will reply you. Also do subscribe and share if possible to support this channel. Check out the link of these products in the description box for more details. If you want to look at some more gadget review videos, here are some especially for you. See you again in the next video. Until then, take care yourself.